Hey gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I am hoping you'll want to hit that subscribe button before you leave. So we have Ipsy for September 2023. So I'm going to be sharing this with you, and I peeked. I definitely had to. So I'm excited because the $13 bag is actually really, really good this month. Oh my gosh, I look totally different without lashes. Wait a minute. That is so much better. Okay, so it's the $13 a month bag, and you get 5 deluxe size samples. Sometimes you get like a full size product in here. This is what the bag looks like. It's a plastic bag. It's got a little tassel. And inside we have our 5 items. And I'm going to start with the one that I'm most that's only 4 items. Oh man. Found it. Okay, so let's start with the one that I'm most excited about. The Ultra Repair Cream. This is an awesome moisturizer by First Aid Beauty. I don't know if this is like full size or not. Actually, I've seen it in such a bigger jar, but this is a really good size, 2 ounces. So getting ready for fall, a moisturizer. This one here, definitely very good to use. Okay, next, the Professional Super Setter Setting Spray by Benefit. Now, obviously, this is a trial size, I guess is what they would call it in the store, right? Look. So stinking cute. Let's see. Ooh, it didn't smell very good. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Moving on. That was the second product. Okay. Hi. Hello. There we go. All right, next, I am so tired of seeing Earth Harbor. I don't know about you guys, but I'm kind of over it. We see Earth Harbor everywhere. So we all have the big ones of these, and now I guess we're getting little ones too. This is the Marina. It's a serum. Look, it's a miniature. How freaking cute. I never use these. I don't know anyone that really does. I'll be honest with you. I think I've put this on Mercari before and it's never sold. So do you use these? Let me know if you do. Okay, moving on by Hey Honey, Show Your Glow. What does that say? Caladial? Gold and a Honey Beauty Mask. I do like masks with honey because they definitely help with redness. So, okay, cool. And that's a good size. I mean, you get 1 or 2 uses out of that, maybe a little bit more. And then by Cocky, I mean, we are just or Cocky. I'm pretty sure it's probably Cocky. We have a dual-ended eyeliner. We have the liquid. This is in brown, obviously. And then this one here. Let's go ahead and take a, oh, that's not brown, but that's beautiful. Okay, so the one side, we'll do a swatch, is liquid brown, and the other side is that. That's actually a decent color. See what I mean? This was a really good bag. So the dual-ended eyeliner, the mask, the Earth Harbor, the setting spray, and the First Aid Beauty. I mean, you cannot get better than that. I'm super excited about that. First Aid Beauty, I do not mind getting like repeats of because you use it. You know, what's one item that you use that you would be so excited about and you don't care how many you get? Let me know that down in the comments. That's everything for the glam bag, guys. So let me know, what did you think? I thought it was great. I definitely want to talk to you down in the comments, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I will see you guys real soon in my Boxycharm video. Bye.